Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to detect Elementor widgets on your WordPress site. This is incredibly useful when you want to understand which widgets are being used across your pages, helping you optimize your site and identify any unused elements that might be slowing things down. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and hover over plugins, then click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugin installation page, where you can search for new tools to enhance your website's functionality. In the search bar at the top right, type in Widget Detector for Elementor. This plugin is specifically designed to scan your site and identify which Elementor widgets are being used and where. After you hit search, you'll see several results appear. Look for the plugin by the listed author and click Install Now. WordPress will download and install the plugin automatically, which usually takes just a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, you'll notice the Install Now button changes to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate. This step is crucial because activating the plugin makes it functional and accessible from your WordPress dashboard. Without activation, the plugin won't do anything even though it's installed. After activation, look at your left sidebar again. You should now see a new menu item called Widget Detector. Click on it to open the plugin's interface. From there, you'll see a submenu option labeled EL Widgets Used. Select this option from the drop-down menu. This section shows you all the Elementor widgets that are currently being used across your site. Now, if you want to drill down further and see which widgets are being used on a specific page, you can select that page from the drop-down menu. This is particularly helpful when you're working on optimizing individual pages or troubleshooting design issues. The plugin will display a detailed list of every widget present on that page, making it easy to audit your content. There's also another valuable feature you should check out. Click on the tab labeled EL Widgets Not in Use. This tab reveals all the Elementor widgets that are installed but aren't being used anywhere on your site. Knowing this information helps you clean up unnecessary elements, which can improve your site's loading speed and overall performance. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and configured a tool to detect Elementor widgets across your WordPress site, giving you complete visibility over what's being used and what's just taking up space. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.